Okay, let's understand the round and the truncate functions. So select round bracket 5678 dot 5678 comma 3 bracket close comma truncate trunc. Okay, this is called truncate. Okay, 5678 dot 5678 bracket close, comma 3 bracket close from dual semicolon, enter. So what this round says, the rounds up to 3 decimal point. So this is the number, and 3 decimal point means 5678.56 and 8, because if you remove 8 from here and the last digit is 7, okay, this becomes 8. Okay, if 5 and above will be converted into 8. See, 1 will be carried here to the last decimal, whereas in truncate it directly cuts off that last digit here, 567, it just removes it. Truncate, we call it as truncate. Now suppose if I say 2, okay, and here also 2, so the answer is 5678.57. now here it removes first of all up to here, this and this has been removed, and then being this is 7, the 1 is carried here, so it becomes 57. Okay, now truncate means it just removes all the things after 2 decimal points, that is 56. Okay, it left for 56. Okay, now suppose if I say 1, here also 1, enter. So what happens? It removes, it keeps after decimal 1 decimal point, right? So 0.5. So 0.5 and rest is it tries to remove 6, 7, 8. Being this is 6 greater than 5 or equal to 5 greater than 5. Okay, so this will become 6. This will become 6, right? So this is 0.6. Now here truncate means just remove it. Okay, so 0.5. Next, if I 0, enter. 0 decimal means no decimal at all. Okay, so here 5678.5 was there, so since it was 0.5, 1 is carried here and I made it as 5679. Okay, whereas truncate means it just removes everything after the decimal and says 5678. Okay, next if I say -1, -1 to the nearest tens point, nearest 10 rupees or 10. Okay, so nearest 10 means, see here, in round it just removes the last digit, and last digit is 8, so it carries forwards here as 8. This becomes 8, so 568 and then put 0. Okay, so nearest tens. Now here truncate means it just removes 8 from here, 8 and everything. Okay, no decimals at all. -1 means just 1 decimal, okay, before multiply by or divide by tens. Okay, in this case 5, 6, 7 and 0, directly 0, it removes it and adds a 0, that's all. But if I say here 2 and here also 2, so these 2 digits has been removed, and since this digit is 7, this will become 7, so 5700. Okay, whereas here also if 2 digits are removed from here, that just removes directly 1 and 7 and 8 and put 0 0. That's all, simple as that. If I say 3 digit nearest thousands, okay, so 3, enter. 5 6 7 8, so 3 digit means 1 2 3. These 3 digits are removed, and since this is 6, so this will become 6 5 6, okay, 1 is carried here, so this becomes 6000, right? Okay, what about here? It removes this thing, okay, and doesn't do anything, so 5000, okay. So if I take EMP table, select cell, comma, round of cell, comma, -1, comma, truncate of cell, comma, 1 bracket close, sorry, -1 bracket close from EMP semicolon, okay, enter. So the salary is 5000. Here round of 5000 is 5000, okay. Nearest means tens, again 1000. 2800 is the 2850 is the salary. 2500 2850 is same because nearest tens, okay. Now if I say 2450, again same thing. 2975, here it will be different, okay. 7, see if I remove this, because only one digit, right? So if I remove this, okay, if it is round, since this is greater than equal to 5, this will become 8, so 7980, right? Now here the last digit, this will be removed directly and put a 0, that's all, okay. Now 3000 no effect, 3000 no effect, 800 no effect, 600 not effect, okay. All this is not effect because last is 0, okay. Now but if I say 3, if I say 3, enter. Let's see, 5000 no effect because 3 digits, last 3 digits are 0 0, right? Here it will affect. If I say remove this 3 digit, so this is 8, so this will become 3, so 3000, correct? Now if I for truncate, if I remove this 3, if I remove this 3, then it will become 0 0, 2000, okay. Then how here, say again same thing, 3000, no 3000, 2400, right? Now here it is 4, here it is 4, so less than equal to 4, sorry, greater than equal to 5, then it will add 1, but since it is less than 5, 4, right? So 2000, exactly 2000, right? Now here again, if it removes everything from here and put 0, 2000, okay. Now here it removes this 3, since this is 9, this become 3000, right? And for truncate, just remove and put 2 triple zeros, right? Now 3000 same, 3000 same, 8000, I'll remove this, okay. If I remove this, here it is 0, right? So if I say 800, if I remove this, but since this one is 8, okay, so 1 is carried here, so 0 becomes 1, so it becomes 1000. And here if I just remove it, 0 is balance 0, okay. Now here 6, it will say 6, okay, 1600. I'll remove this, since this is 6, right, above 5, above or equal to 5, right? Since it is 6, so 1 will be carried here, 2 and 2000, right? Now for truncate, it will remove all the things and put 0 0, that's all. Now if we do this here, 2500, since it is less than 5, okay, less than 5, then this will be 1000, 1000, exactly 1000, 1000. What about this? Again same thing here. Now here it is 5, equal to 5 or greater than 5, right? So this file will be added. Suppose we are going to cut this 3, right? So if this 5 is added here, 1 is added here, then this becomes 2, so 2000. But whereas in truncate, if I remove all those things and put 000, it become 1000 here. Now if I remove this 3, since it is less than 5 here, okay, less than 5, so no effect, okay, just put 00, 1000 and 1000. 9550 means if I remove these 3 for round, I'm talking about 9950 is okay. So if I say 950, and if I try to remove all the 3 digits, last 3 digits, then if I carry 1 here, since it is greater than 5, so 1 will be carried here to this 0, okay, this become 1 and 1000, okay, whereas this becomes 0. That means if I cut it everything and put a 0, we'll put 0, and here it is already 0, so 000. Now 1300, if I remove the entire thing from here, since it is less than 5, right, so it will be 1000, another one is 1000, okay. So this way I hope you understood salary, round and truncate functions in SQL